What up, guys? Lars here. Oh. What up? Lars here, bringing y'all another pit bike adventure. I have no clue what we're in for today. I'm just gonna ride and just have some fun on my bike. It's Sunday. It feels amazing out. It is currently 67 degrees out. Can you guys believe that? 67, and it's spring, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. What about y'all? Are y'all pretty stoked? Woo! Got a little loose on that one. I've been watching like a lot of motor vlogs lately, so I've been like real into freaking wheelies. Like the one person that I think fucking kills the game in wheelies is I think his name is Subimoto. Subimoto. And he just freaking kills it, bro. Like straight up G. I want to be like Subimoto, so I'm gonna practice my wheelies. Woo! I'm coming for you, Subimoto. Don't worry, I'm coming. Just playing. I'm on a little pit bike. He has like a 450. Trying to get like a little nose wheelie. So guys, in my last video I was talking about how I needed to change my oil and all that good stuff. So I just changed my oil. I got like a brand new tank in this why did I say? I got a brand new tank in this baby and a new spark plug. Yeah, it don't get much better than that. We're about to hit the jump. Woo. Hello. Hi. Oh. Woo. Dude, it's so loud when I'm in here. Alright, these golfers are going to be probably super pissed, but you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Sup. Damn, dude, going through that tunnel was freaking awesome though. I felt like I was like just so loud. Just my bike I felt like I was on a legit dirt bike, just like, you know, just like, yeah. I know there's a jump back here. We gotta be quick though. Some popo don't like us here. Skirt. Ah, there's a car in front of the loading dock. What the fuck, me? Why is there a car in front of the loading dock, me? Oh, my shoe got squished. It says no skateboarder, rollerblading, or skating. Doesn't say anything about biking. I mean, pit biking. Skirt! Jumped off that loading dock like nothing. There's like a big loading dock that used to BMX by like a grocery store down the street. And I really want to jump it, but it's like pretty tall. It's like up probably like 4.5 feet, 5 feet. Like pretty big, you know? Alright guys, I need to get Daily Donut in. Damn, they have a dope porch setup. Coming in with the DD, coming in hot. Daily Donut. That was a nice one right there. I have like no tread, so I'm like barely making any marks anymore. Whoa! Did you guys see that squirrel that was running right next to me on that fence? Hey, bunny! Damn, I'm seeing a lot of wildlife right now. This must be like the wildlife section. Oh. Smell like some pancakes or something back here. Alrighty guys, we are now entering the trails. First I'm gonna hit this trail right here on our left. Let's see which way, this way. Oh. Oh. I almost hit that tree though. Slipping back here. Oh shit, here's a tight turn. I was in the wrong gear for that one. Ah! I felt like I was peaking too much and I let go of the gas a little and just lost it. Completely lost it on that one, man. That wasn't cool. I think I'm gonna go this way. We're just cruising on the streets. Cruising on the streets. Just cruising on the streets. Cruising on the streets. Over here. Back over here. Dude, this is the same guy. Hey. Huh? The GoPro?
Yeah, GoPro guy.
Yeah, that's me.
GoPro guy's bad.
Yeah.
Motorcycle man, but GoPro guy works too, right?
Yeah, or pit bike man. Alright.
Pretty cool.
You look like one of the guys from the bike game.
Oh, the thing on the 360 where you do the stunt bike?
Yeah.
Oh, like a dirt bike game?
Yeah.
I wish that was me.
That's you?
No.
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you. Alright, have a good day. He was like, you look like the guy from the pit bike game. I mean, a dirt bike game where, oh my god, I see you jump. This guy's pointing you. He is. He was so pissed. Alright. We're gonna try to bonk manual this. Damn, that would be awesome. I'm gonna try to bonk it to wheelie. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Alright. It's coming in. We got this. Alright, last attempt. You can't be too much in the same area. Word. We just did a bonk wheelie. And now we're outie.